Being a mom, a woman, is tough, okay? We're out here juggling relationships, dreams, hobbies, and them kids. And with all of that, the last thing I want to stress about is my hair. Now, don't get it wrong, okay? I love my hair. I love Miss Frolisha down, okay? But y'all know I gave birth to Rapunzel's cousins. Like, girl, when I part their hair, I can't see their scalp. After I finish their hair, you mean to tell me I have to do mine too? Nope, absolutely not. So girl, let's book that hair appointment, get that luxurious scalp scrub, and get that gorgeous braided down flat foundation. Because today, we're getting into this new wig unit from IDEFINE WIG that's about to have you looking chic and put together in no time. So go ahead and subscribe, girl. Let's get into this hair. So let's get into this hair review. We are starting with a good foundation. I got a Velcro strap because it just keeps my wigs on. You know, I'm a wig connoisseur, so this is the setup that works for me. This is our unit from IDEFINE WIG. They were so kind to send this to me. I'm super excited. So this wig to me is definitely giving Jodi Turner Smith tease, definitely. It's a shortcut. She's super cute. Inside of the box, you're going to get this instruction manual. It'll tell you how to take care of the hair. You get 2 wig caps in 2 different colors. I love that. How many times have you gotten a wig cap that was too light or too dark and it messes up the lace color underneath? Hate it. So you get 2 wig caps, 2 different colors. Love that. Comes with this little band over it to keep it shaped. You've got the stuffing inside to keep it in shape, which I love that because, girl, nothing is worse than a flat wig. Absolutely. Oh my gosh, then you gotta revive it. Ugh, hate it. This is the wig. I love the highlight colors. She's very short, but she's perfect for fall. It's a perfect fall color wig. Get into it, get into it. You get combs on the inside. You've got 2 combs on the side right here. You've got a comb in the back and you have a band to keep the unit on. This is a 5x5 closure. Love that. So this is very much easy, put on wig, get out of here and go. So I have the direct link for this wig below, but this is what it looks like. This wig is actually 180% density. It's 10 inches and it's a wavy texture. I love this hair. It's super, super soft. This is pre-cut lace, so I'm not gonna cut the lace. I'm just gonna wear her right out the box. We are going to go ahead and put this bad boy on. Here it is. I don't have it glued down or anything. I don't have this glued down at all. Here is what the hairline looks like. It's really nice hairline. It's very full. This hairline is gonna be really good for you. You're not gonna wanna have to touch this at all. What I'm gonna do is, because it's been in a box, the curls are kind of flat, I'm actually going to like run my flat iron through the hair because I just wanna see what it looks like flat ironed out. And I think it's just gonna give me a better idea of how the layers are. I'm actually going to make, because I have the wig basically in the middle of my head, I'm actually going to part the hair a little bit deeper over here. Want my part to lay down better, I'm gonna take a spray bottle and I'm just gonna spray right in the part line. And then what I like to do to make sure I get a real good flat part is we're gonna take the wig off and then we're gonna take a flat iron, and that where I have my part, we're literally going to, we're gonna cinch it just a little bit. What we're giving right now. So what I'm actually gonna do is put some curls into this unit. Ooh, and she curls like a dream. Like, these curls are beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love hair that holds a curl. Love hair that holds a curl, especially with like short styles like these. Ooh, I love it, I love it. So we're just gonna put curls all around the head. Just do these flat iron curls. I'm even gonna curl it out, like, y'all know, like the flip for the 90s. We're gonna add some flip curls in here because we just want it to be messy. We want it to be chic, short, cropped cut. So y'all, I will say I am loving this wig now. I wasn't like, I wasn't sure at first, but she is so cute. Oh, I'm just loving how much it curls, this curl. That's the good thing about shorter units is you can play with them a lot and they're a lot more forgiving. Got my hairspray and we're just gonna like spray it all over the hair and then just shake it out. And then we're gonna shape with our fingers. Oh my gosh, girl. I just love the highlights in here. Like, get into these highlights. The highlights are everything. I think it's a perfect wig for fall. I also think it's a perfect wig for like spring too. For summer, it's a good all-around wig. Like, I would wear this wig year round and I just love the layers and the cut. I just think it's so cute. I definitely think you want to do some like different style curls. So like I did like the old 90s flip under method, some regular curls like the girls do, just to give this dimension so you can see like the texture, see like the highlights. Like, I think this is so cute like this. I also think this wig would look really cute in like a slick back style. And what I love also is that their website is super easy to use. I love how we go on the website, the coupon pops right on up. You can go, they have categories for every wig. If you want 5x5 pre-cut lace, which is what this unit is, you want a frontal, you want short, you want long, you want colored. I love their website. If you want to purchase this unit, make sure you click the link down below. I also have a coupon code that's going to save you guys 15% off, so go ahead and use that. Head on over to IDEFINEWIG.com to get your unit so we can be twinsies, we can be chic fall twinsies, please, girl, please. I keep looking at I'm looking at my mirror, y'all. I keep looking at myself. Oh my gosh. If you want more makeup, beauty, fashion, hair, vlogs, subscribe below to Glam Larry, subscribe to moi, okay? Go on, subscribe so you can get inside of Hot Mom Production Studios because it's fun over here. It's fun over here at Hot Mom Production Studios. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this unit and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.